Hi guys, and welcome to Emma's Cooking Show, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Vita Flakes and stuff with chocolate. So all you need is a mixing bowl, another wee small bowl to put in the microwave to melt your chocolate and stuff. I'm using milk chocolate today. Some wee fairy cake holders, whatever, a spoon to mix with, and that can go in the another one. So I'm going to wash that out. Bingo, okay, got one. And a massive plate, doesn't matter if it's crispy or not, I'll ask, so I'll show you that. So let's get started. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to be shaking our flakes into the bowl. Sorry for tilting the camera, I meant to after that. So just so you can see, tilt them like that, okay? Right. So then what you're going to be using next is your other bowl to melt your chocolate. So I'm probably just going to using quite a lot probably. And if you sneak like me, I always like to nip a bit. Like this foot. Now, when you're putting it in the microwave, usually use an adult supervision. I am 21, going on 22 in October 12th, 1997. That's when I was born. And I went into things. I'm going to be putting this in the microwave in about a second. Excuse the mess, guys. This girl here just made slime. Right, a second. See guys, baking can be fun when you're with Jennifer. Ah, last time, woo! But I can find that. Now, here's a very careful tip for you guys. Keep an eye on chocolate all the time to microwave. One time I kind of burnt chocolate and it didn't really work out. Okay? So here guys. Whee! Nearly done guys. Now you can get on with the fun part. So now that you have got your melted chocolate, but I'm going to give it a wee minute and stuff because it's absolute scaling hot. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to make a Vita flake. And yeah, what's that? Here's what I'm going to do. Got a solution. So what I'll do is I'll put this towel with my hand, pop it here, and try and like gather all this chocolate that side like that. don't think it's that hot now, so I'm going to put it now. Just so you can see what I'm doing, I'm going to tilt the camera like that. So I'm scraping all of the chocolate out of this bowl and into this. Now I don't even know if I don't know if that'll be enough, but we'll just have to see. The main important bit is if we can get all the chocolate. That's good, but if there's any excess stuff and you can't get it, you can officially eat the bowl. But as my brother used to call it when I was a wee kid, lick the bowl. Okay, let's see if I can get some of that. Then we're going to do that. Oh, I actually don't think that's a bit enough. Okay, I'll need to go and finish mixing this through without making a mess. Keep on dropping some. If I can manage to cover nearly all of these in, I might not even need to use the other. With the lucky, I might get away with this. If I can try and get the camera down so you can see. So far right. Right, okay, let's just see. The last time I made these was probably when I was in high school as a kid probably. And I was like in P1 or something, that was easiest, but if the teacher was too lazy, she would just make these with us or shortbread just so it was quick. Okay. Right, okay. As my family would do is chocolate. Okay. As we wash this spoon now, or just if I wash. Now, get that spoon. And what we're going to do next is set this aside. And next time I'll get Gal's chocolate. But a lot easier to make. Okay, so now we've got that, we get our bowl, well, bowl, plate, whatever, probably plate. Set out a few of these, probably the smaller ones, because you want to try and get these actually in. Now before you start, I would suggest opening your fridge to see if you have enough room, because if you don't have enough room, then we're in luck, we have room today. So let's get plenty of room to put them into harden. So maybe one more. Yeah, okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, flip down again, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to, as you can see on there we've got the things, so you gather the wee handful in your thing take one and plop it in. This is what my teacher used to do, and if you'd have to put a wee bit in again, you would do that. Now don't need to be filled right to the top because people will just be eating these. And you get another, you just repeat that constantly. Ooh! Sometimes, no, I hadn't even made, oh. You'd just, ooh, you would just do that. Now you get my drift why I keep on doing this. Now, if you guys want to know why I had an idea of baking, it's when the last time I baked shortbread I was going to put chocolate melt on top, but I forgot then, so I never used it. And I bought two and I only used one for this, so clearly that would work out as in, that fell out my hand, okay? Now if there's any left after this, we'll probably have to either make some more and use it up and stay eating, or probably not. Two left after this one. We're nearly done. Two more, and then we can put these in the fridge, and then I will come back once these are hardened and we'll check if they are ready. And if they are, then that's quite good. Now, some people would put on a wee thing, a wee topper or something, you know, like either a wee mini egg or something, but I don't have any eggs, so I'm just going to keep mine plain. Okay, right now, maybe I will have room for one more, maybe. I should have room for one more, and only one more. Do you ever get a feeling when you're baking something with chocolate and it's hard to get the thing off and you have to get a knife then to go and get that off? Well, this is what that's like. So now I have to stop what I'm doing now and get a knife, because a knife can get it off then. Okay, so if that one's shorter than the others, Matt. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put these in the fridge. I'm just going to go and put this in the fridge. Okay. Now the other thing about baking and putting it in the fridge is you hope it's flammable. Okay, plan B, give me a second. Put it in there. Oh, no. There we go. Staying shut. So I'm back, and now I have not as much a mess, just some washing up that I'll do in a minute. So yeah, thanks guys for watching this tutorial, and I hope one day or whenever you feel like making whatever I just made there, I can't remember what I called it. I think it was Vita Flakes with chocolate. So yeah guys, look at my TikTok video how it turned out at the end. Bye guys, see you in the wee while.